it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I do have another video coming up when I went to New York with Fred. I just been a little busy, caught up. A lot of things have occurred during this time, but you know, we got to keep moving forward. Recently we've sold the IS300. We got rid of that one. Moving on to another project. And what else? Oh, I gotta turn here. Gotta get some Starbucks in the meantime. We got rid of this IS300. We were gonna get rid of the Civic. We had discussions. Me and the wife sat down. We did put the car back to stock. Went to a few dealerships. Crunched up some numbers. It just wasn't aligning to our financial needs at the moment, and it just wasn't gonna meet us there where we want to be. She wanted an SUV, something a little bit bigger, just because we know that the family will expand soon. However, it just didn't work out. We decided to ultimately keep the Civic. We're at 76,000 miles, so it's been our reliable go-to daily driver, and she decided to just go back to putting it back to where it was, dropping the vehicle back. We have today ordered, well, not today, we're gonna install an intake. I ordered it for Black Friday. It was on sale, PRL, so it should be coming within a few hours. It's already out for delivery. I'm outside right now. I went to Honda to get the AutoNation Honda to get the car inspected, just to see what's wrong with the car, anything that I couldn't see. And they pretty much checked out. They said that the car passed for flying colors. They recommended a few things due to the mileage, like the CVT transmission service, which I already did, a filter for the AC to replace, brake fluid service, cooling system flush, and alignment, which I already did an alignment. So I'm not sure how they got that done, and they checked off all the tires. The tires were good. And yeah, got a free car wash, and it was free, honestly. So that's the only reason I also did it too. We're also going to take this car to New York, so we definitely wanted to get it inspected, make sure it's good to go for that drive. I'm definitely going to order 2 new tires, because the 2 tires in the back were last minute swaps because of something that happened with the tires previously. So I have 2 mismatched tires, which I'm gonna swap out with brand new. I'm gonna put the brand new ones in the front and then put the used ones in the back, and go from there. But yeah, after that, so we decided to keep the Civic, and I have been uploading, been busy. Went to New York for my brother's birthday. We did try to swap out his shifter, which ended up in a whole mess. That'll be in a video before this one, hopefully. If not, it will get uploaded after this. After that, I came back home. We then drove back to New York for Thanksgiving. So it's just been a lot of family time. Back to the original video, we're gonna install the intake. Right now I'm at Starbucks to try to get some coffee. I haven't had anything. I've been up since 8. So I haven't had breakfast, and it's now 10:47. I've been in that dealership for about 2 hours and a half. So, well, no, I've been in there for 2 hours because I got there at 8:30. So yeah, now we're gonna get some Starbucks, and I'll get back to you when I get the Starbucks, and then go back home, and then return back when we receive the intake. Okay, so we're back home. We did receive the intake, the PRL intake. Now it's time to install it. Let's get to opening it. Alright. This is what we received. We got the filter, the tube, I guess hardware maybe. For the mass airflow. Awesome. Okay, so it looks like we gotta remove the mass airflow sensor. There you go. Remove that. This probably has to come off too. What else? I'm gonna have to remove the sensor. Looks like I'm gonna remove this whole piece. Not sure if it's just those screws or even that screw. Okay, so don't forget to pop this out. It was stuck in here. I used the flathead, went through the sides, went through here, pressed in, and one side popped out, and I did the same thing for the front, and it popped out. So that's out. Let's put that over here. And now let's get rid of this. Okay, so I removed the 4 screws. There you go. Popped it out. Just unscrewed this. This can stay on. I unscrewed it a little bit, and I left the mass airflow sensor on it. Put that down. I started unscrewing this, but I couldn't reach it. I didn't have an extension, or I don't know where it went. But yeah, so let's start doing that one now. By the way, the ones on the top, I used a screwdriver. They were a little hard to kind of get loose, but yeah. Here's a screwdriver. These are a 10. All right, just like that. It was a little hard to pull this out, and also keep in mind this tab over here is going to hit this, so you have to maneuver it to go over and then just pull it out. It's a little stuck there, but just pull it out. So those were the only 2 screws holding it, this one and that one. That's it, and it's just held onto here. All right, let's see what's in the box. What we have here is the filter, some hardware, I believe. Oh no, that's some. What's that again? I think that's the adapter to like the mass airflow. We have stickers. We always love stickers. Put that here. And the tube. Some hardware. And that's it. So we have, I think we have to mount this somewhere here. I don't know where, but somewhere. Okay, so we have this bracket here, two slots, which will go somewhere. Boom, here, these 2 holes, and that's where that goes. So it gives you the hardware if you buy a brand new 1, 2. I don't know what this one goes through. All right, so it's installed. Now we gotta put the tubing and the filter. And as you unwrap it, you get the tubing. There's an additional box for the adapter here, which I guess is for the mass airflow sensor. And almost put together, well, pretty much put together already. Change the mass airflow sensor, put it on here, tighten the clamps up. I put it towards myself. It comes down this way. I switched it around so it can be easier. I already did this one, but it is what it is. I'm gonna leave that one alone. Yeah, that's how it looks. Place it like that, and let's get going. Also forgot to mention, there's a extra screw that comes in. It looks like a bolt, but it's not. This is actually a washer. It's a washer. That goes at the bottom of the adapter. So it's gonna go like this in order for it to plug in there, and you would have to screw in the nut from the bottom. Okay, so it's done. Finally, screw these on. Put the nut in the bottom. That's a 12. I used a wrench. Yeah, that's how it looks. Now to connect the sensor. Cool. Guess that's gonna stay like that, I guess. And let's test it out. See how she sounds. Alright, we finished and it sounds awesome. Let's give you a test run. Sounds so much louder. I know my wife is about to be like, what are you doing? Because she doesn't even... Oh, there's a bunch of branches, I think. Because she doesn't even know what the hell... Well, she doesn't even know what I bought. So, let me show you guys now. The sun in Florida is so brutal. I just put this yesterday and it's already peeling off. My dash cam is peeling off. Thankfully, this brand gives you 2, and I don't know if that's because they know. So I'm gonna have to figure this out because I'm trying to put it back, but I don't think it's sticking anymore. All right, guys. So that was all of it. That's all I have for today. Hopefully, there's more parts coming in. The next up is gonna probably be a front pipe or the exhaust. I think we're planning on getting the Remark exhaust. We want something not too aggressive and not too, I guess, annoying, you know, in other words. So we want something really subtle, which we thought that the Remark exhaust was one of those. So we're gonna get that and possibly a front pipe. And I think that's it for mods for now. We want to get a K-tuner, but we don't really want to go that far. We just want something sounding really nice, and we want to start going for the looks again. I might rebuild the BC coilovers that I have right now, and if not, then I'm gonna go Fortune Auto and hopefully get some wheels. The next up, like little things I'm gonna get is like the mirror caps. I'm gonna show you guys how they are looking right now. So from what I know or read, a lot of people are going through this due to the sun, especially in Florida sun. It's really bad out here, so it's melting that off. I'm gonna get some carbon fiber mirror caps for those. Replace those real quick and probably get the wide angle mirrors as well while I'm at it. I do want to get like a duck bell for the back, but I did see that there's an LED that goes across the whole thing, so I'm gonna get that first, then the duck bell. So that alone is probably gonna run me like $400 or $500. And then if I get everything on one shot, probably wasting like $600. And then coilovers, and I'm gonna debate between that and exhaust, which one's gonna come first. And I'll let you guys know in the next videos. But yeah, expect some more content. This is just a daily driver, and it's my wife's car. She doesn't want nothing too aggressive, so I don't want to hear like the comments about why don't you just get a Type R or SI. She honestly just doesn't want those. She wants something really like calm. She doesn't drive stick. She wants to learn, but doesn't think that's ideal for her. So this is our daily driver. Hopefully in the future, maybe I'm leaning to the Type R, but I'm more of an all-wheel drive person or rear-wheel drive person. So let's see how things end up. And there's a reason why I'm not getting a car yet, and I'll let you guys know in the newer videos that comes along. There's something really big behind all of this that I'm not trying to get a car at the moment. But other than that, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys can share this video, let your friends know, subscribe, and see you guys till then. We do still have the Evolve store open. We're planning on releasing new merch. Have been on the pause for a while and have been, you know, I guess really not pushing a lot of things out. It's been a while. Had a lot of things on the table, but we're definitely going to try to push more things out, new designs, and I'll keep you guys posted on that. But then again, see you guys till then. Have a great weekend, great month, great holidays.